So the last episode, we took a tour of the Weldtec Designs showroom. Looked awesome. So we actually got to look at all the different components that go into this all-wheel drive Ford Transit kit. I was blown away. I couldn't believe it. King shocks, the whole nine. You've seen the video. I was so sold that this is the ultimate Ford Transit kit.
Absolutely, Taylor. And you know what? With your help, I decided I'm going to go with the Ford enchilada, the whole enchilada, and go with the ultimate all-wheel drive suspension package for this Ford Transit, which includes king coilovers in the front that have reservoirs, king shocks in the back with reservoirs, fully fabricated lower control arms, lower control arm support brackets, and of course, we got progressive leaf springs in the back. Absolutely. Incredible, making a great ride, right? Dude, okay. The best ride. So, I'm MV, this is Taylor, you're watching Weldtec Designs. Let's get this bad boy installed. Take your chance,
dude, where is MV? Dude said he'd be here like 20 minutes ago. Dude. Hot as balls. I think I'm gonna die.
Oh, this thing is awesome. I am so glad I listened to you. This thing is amazing. You know what we need to do? You need to hop in right now. Let's go to the trail and see what this thing can really do.
I like your thinking. I like your thinking. I'll tell you what, dude, immediately right off the bat, this thing is gliding across the dirt right now.
That's right.
It's pretty crazy.
Wait till you hit a pothole, man. You get just the king shocks just eat it up. Just boom. Feel that?
Like it's nothing, dude.
Nothing.
Dude, that's like a bump you'd hit like in a parking garage.
Exactly.
It's nothing. But safety first, right?
Safety first.
Click it or ticket.
Yeah, click it or ticket. Even on the trails, boys.
That's right, dude. Safety first.
Squirrel.
Safety first back there.
Yeah. This seriously was a squirrel.
Dude, it feels good to finally be out on a trail, not, you know, on the streets.
Yeah, I've been really looking forward to this, Taylor, you know what I mean? And I'm going to tell you right now, I'm not driving her any type of way easy. I mean, we're on the trail with king shocks, bro. And I'm going to fucking fishtail this thing. I'm going to go wild, man. And this is fun. I'm having a freaking blast, bro. I think Jeremy back there following us, he's probably crapping his pants like, dude, this guy's gonna crash it. Holy crap. You know what I mean? He doesn't have traction control on. You know, Jeremy probably thinks, oh man, this dude doesn't even know that he has traction control, but you know what I mean? I know how to drive here and there. Here we go. Slow it down a little bit. Now let's
it's like, if you were to drive this like in like a Corolla or something like that,
yeah,
you'd be feeling every single bump in the road. But
yeah, this is smooth.
These king shocks really just eat up the road.
Eat up that road, you know what I mean?
Great, dude.
Eat up that road. And to be honest, like I'm having a blast, not only because there's no weight in here, but because I'm gonna transit with king shocks, baby, with Big Max's tires, big method wheels. This is fun. So I like to drive. Yeah, baby. Ooh, lost the tail there a little bit, yeah? You know that? You're gonna have to get in here and give this puppy a go, dude. You know what I'm saying?
I don't think I'm gonna drive as crazy as that.
Yeah, this is good, man. Nice, smooth. Wow.
Yeah, because it makes you think about all the possibilities of all the different places that you can go that you couldn't go before.
Yeah, you would not be able to go to
in stock form. There's no way you'd be able to ride this in the stock form.
No way. No way. Okay, I'm gonna slow down here, big bend. All right, let's take her nice and easy. Just, you know, we're van lifers now. Yeah. We're van lifers, just taking it
imagine
easy.
Imagine we're you know, we're driving out. We want to get a cool vantage point, get a nice picture.
Yeah.
You know?
How does this feel on a washboard road? You know, it's eating up those bumps, and of course the back. We don't have a lot of weight in the back right now.
It's completely empty back.
It's completely empty. So with a build out, you can tell those shocks are just eating up those bumps. Easy.
Yeah, so like if this had a full build out, it'd probably ride even better.
And most build outs are about 2,000 pounds, am I right?
Yeah, just about. Yeah, at about 2,000 pounds.
This is a great experience, man. I mean, it's just so fun. It just takes the transit and makes it into fun. Yeah, that's a lot of different letters, but I mean,
yeah, transit finally equals fun. Because a lot of times you see, you see sprinters, or even what is it, the ProMaster, Grandmaster? What is it called?
The ProMaster, yeah, the Dodge ProMaster.
Yeah, so you see a lot of times you see the Sprinter, you see the ProMaster, and it's like, you know, they're on a road like And you know, finally now I think there's a kit for the Transit that can be able to, you know, hang with those guys.
I interrupt you because we just hit that pothole at, you know, 30 miles an hour, and that thing was just, that shock was just beautiful on that. It wasn't boom,
just ate it right up.
Ate it right up. Boom. Ate it right up. And the articulation you get with these King shocks compared to stock shocks, it's just unmatched. Yeah, because you get way more, and with the springs too in the back, those progressive leaf springs are going to allow a lot more articulation out of this kit with the King shocks combined. I think it's something like 50% more articulation than if you had just a regular altitude kit from Weldtec Designs.
Yeah, because a lot of times, like these stock Transits, they have.
Here we go, pothole.
Like zero.
Woo! Here we go, pothole.
Here we go.
Whoa, so smooth, man. So smooth on those potholes. Eats it right up. I love that.
We're back on a little bit of pavement here.
Yep, back on the pavement, so I'm going to take her up. Baby, yes. Woo! Yeah, baby, that's how you rock. That's how you rock. And that's how you drive in a Weldtec Designs kit. The Weldtec Designs Transit Trail Hero Kit with the King shocks, the fully fabricated lower control arms, the lower control arm support bracket, the progressive leaf springs, and the Reservoir King shocks both in the front and the rear. This is a kit for the ages, and I love it. If you want a Ford Transit and you want to do a van build out, I recommend it.
Yeah, dude, I feel like if you're gonna spend all the money on a sick build out, it's like, dude, you need a suspension to match, and this is the ultimate suspension for a Transit.
If you're going for a Transit Trail from Ford, you're gonna be spending almost $100,000 on this thing. For way less, you can buy a used Ford Transit, get this kit installed, and you're gonna have way more fun and way more capability on the road. I mean, this is a blast. Absolutely. You would not have the same experience in a regular Transit Trail from Ford directly from the factory. Yeah, that subframe lift and those little blocks in the back, you're not getting as much articulation. These shocks are unmatched compared to OEMs. This is what I call driving. Yeah!
Nice.
Are you good?
I'm good.
Did I scare you a little bit?
A little bit.
There's little fishtails and stuff.
Fishtails, yeah, that's good.
Well, let's see what happens. Let's see how long it takes for these boys to show up, huh? Let's see what they think.